Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com. In this video we will be talking about geotechnical engineering, who is a geotechnical engineer, and benefits of geotechnical engineering. What is geotechnical engineering? Just as we are already aware that there are many different aspects of engineering disciplines, so is geotechnical engineering one of those aspects. Geotechnical engineering is a branch of engineering that deals primarily with the study of the behavior of soils under the influence of loading forces and soil-water interactions. As such, the knowledge of this discipline can never be overemphasized as it is applied to the design of foundations, earth dams, clay liners, retaining walls as well as geosynthetics for waster containment. It can also be known as geotechniques, a branch of civil engineering that deals with the behavior of earth materials. It utilizes the principles of soil and rock mechanics for solving engineering problems. Who is a geotechnical engineer? A geotechnical engineer is a graduate of geotechnical engineering whose primary duty is to design foundations, temporary excavation supports, through route selection for railways and highways, as well as an increasingly important area of landfill disposal of wastes and groundwater contamination. He also carried out field and laboratory investigations to ascertain the engineering properties of site soils and other geomaterials. The history of geotechnical engineering? Historically, humans make use of materials for flood control, building foundations, and as construction materials for buildings. Many years ago, 2000 BCE, it was found that in ancient Egypt and ancient Mesopotamia, there were traces of dikes, dams and canals as well as within the settlements of Daro and Arapa in the Indus Valley. As the cities grew in size, structures were erected supported by formalized foundations. Until the 18th century, however, no theoretical basis for soil design was in sight and the field of engineering was perceived as an art discipline, rather than a science due to past experience. Classical geotechnical mechanics began in 1773 with Charles Coulomb's introduction of mechanics in soil problems. Other relevant developments during this period include Henry Darcy's definition of hydraulic conductivity, Joseph Bucinisk's theory of stress distribution, and Albert Atterberg's examination of clay consistency, just to mention a few. Then, modern geotechnical engineering began in 1925 with the publication of Erdbaumechanik by Karl Terzaghi. Geotechnical investigation. Geotechnical engineers perform geotechnical investigations to obtain information on the physical properties of soil and rock underlying a site to design earthworks and foundations for proposed structures. A geotechnical investigation would include surface exploration and subsurface exploration of a site. Subsurface exploration involves the use of soil sampling and laboratory testing of the soil samples obtained. Surface exploration, on the other hand, includes geologic mapping, geophysics method and photogrammetric, where the site engineer walks around on the site to observe the physical condition of the site. Summary. In summary, geotechnical engineering is a branch of engineering which studies the behavior of soils under influence of loading forces as well as water interactions. It's a branch of civil engineering due to the fact that it deals with the behavior of earth materials. In conclusion, geotechnical engineering is a very lucrative discipline because as a geotech engineer, you can work with a mining engineer or a civil engineer since both disciplines deal with the soil or earth generally. A further study could help in discovering new technologies in the design of foundations, earth dams and clay liners, just to mention a few.
For watching, please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos. Please follow and like engineeringall.com in all social media.